Sherlock's brother. What happened to you, Julie? Oh my God.
I was in London. I didn't know he was going to come here.
You know, 21p. You belong there, not me. There may well come a time when it is right for me to return to London, but it isn't now. It's me. My little gambit didn't work. He's decided to stay. I'm afraid we're going to have to come at the problem a different way.
So, you know, if you're asking about threats to my recovery, you have to talk about Amy. Didn't say it out loud since I'm going to see her soon, and I should be ready. What's the greatest threat to your surviving? Sherlock Paddington.
I am without a peer. Without saying a peer, anyway. Which is why she wanted to be without a peer, full stop. I can only extend so much of myself to a non-peer, which means I can only extend so much of myself to anyone. I've made progress, of course, but I don't know how much more work there is to do. If I can never value